Hello friends, welcome to our channel Maths Experts. Today's lesson is on number properties and the difficulty level is easy. We will be solving 3 questions and let's move ahead to the first question for the day. So in the first question, there is a 30% chance of rain and a 70% chance of sunshine. If it rains, there is a 60% chance that Michael will cancel his picnic. If the sun shines, there is a 90% chance of him having his picnic. So what is the chance that Michael will have his picnic? So let's begin by writing down the probabilities. The probability that it will rain is given as 0.3. The probability of sunshine is 0.7. The probability that Michael will cancel his picnic given that it rains is equal to 0.6, and the probability that Michael will have his picnic given that there is sunshine is equal to 0.9. So the probability of Michael having his picnic will be equal to the probability that it rains multiplied by the probability of him having his picnic given that it rains plus the probability of sunshine multiplied by the probability having the picnic given that there is sunshine. So I hope this is clear. Now we just put in the values. The probability that it rains is 0.3. The probability that he has his picnic given that there is rain is 1 minus 0.6 plus the probability of sunshine is 0.7 multiplied by the probability that he had his picnic given that there is sunshine is 0.9. So this is 0.3 multiplied by 0.4 plus 9 7 36 is equal to 0.12 plus 0.36. So the final answer is 0.48 or 48%. So I hope this question is clear. The concept here is pretty easy and you just have to kind of add in the probabilities, the probability of rain and he having the picnic given that it rains, probability of sunshine and having the picnic given that it's sunshine. So let's move on to the next question. When positive integer x is divided by positive integer y, the remainder is 9. But if x by y is equal to 96.12, what is the value of y? So the question says that when the positive integer x is divided by positive integer y, the remainder is 9. So we can write something like, x is equal to the quotient into y plus 9, right? Here 9 is the remainder, this is the quotient. Now if we were to divide by y, we get x by y equal to quotient plus 9 by y, right? Now the question says that x by y is given as 96.12, which is equal to quotient plus 9 by y. Now when we say 96.12, we actually mean that 96 plus 2 by 100, right, which essentially means that 12 by 100 is equal to 9 by y. So y is equal to 100 into 9 by 12. 3 3s, 3 4s, 4s, 25. So y is equal to 75. So the answer to this question is 75. This is the key concept here. Writing it down is x equal to qy plus 9, and then since we already have x by y, dividing by 9, and 96.12, which is essential to understand that whenever you have 96.12 on this format, then you have a quotient part of it and then you have the remainder, and then you're just equating the remainders. Finally, coming to our last question of the day, 6 dolphins swim in a single file with 3 females at the front and 3 males in the rear. In how many different arrangements can the dolphins swim? So here, if we were to write it like this, we can see that the front 3 and the last 3 are sort of reserved. So here we have the females and here we have the males. Now the first 3, since these are unique dolphins, you have 3 females and here you have 3 males. So in how many different arrangements can the dolphins swim? So if you arrange the females, we'll have 3 factorial. If you arrange the males, you have 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. So how did this 3 factorial come? So let's say for the first spot, you have 3 choices, 3. For the second spot, you have only 2 dolphins left, 2. And for the last spot, there's only 1. Similarly for me. So this is equal to 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is 6. 3 factorial is 6 multiplied. So the total number of different arrangements is 36. So these are the 3 questions for the day. Hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be shortly coming up with other subjects and increasing difficulty level as well. Thank you so much.